Yo, what up, everybody? So I know it's been a while. I did a vlog or whatever. So I'm not sure about the title of this video. I already say what we're doing, but I mean I'm about to meet up my boy. My boy Z's. I don't know if you guys. He was in a video before. Yeah, when we picked up my RSX from Paint. So about to meet him up, and then my other boy, we're gonna go pick up a shelf for him. So yeah, I figured I'd vlog, So I'll see you guys when I meet him up. Birthday, bro. Alright, you already know how to do a vlog again.
Shit. He's about to be on camera.
Oh yeah.
Boys, can I take a video? I was walking in. Niggas thought it was my shit. They said, nah. Someone picking it up. He said, yo, you gotta see that shit in the magazine. She was like,
It's the new owner. You hype?
You already know.
Got some work to do, but man, drive.
yeah, really good. So you gotta cut the wheel to the right.
The other right.
Time to roll up and then go back. Side.
We might be able
If I just roll, I'm gonna roll, like, cut the wheel all the way to the right. We're gonna go up to that corner and then bring it back in this way.
3 hours later.
God. Oh. Oh. Finally back in Jersey. Oh my God. Yeah, you don't look happy, bro.
I don't know if I should put this behind the R6 or in front of it.
Put it behind.
Behind the R6, right?
Yeah. That what?
I feel like that's bad work.
I don't know. Yo.
Yeah, wait, barely
So
works. I got a lot of shit that's fucked up.
About to swap stuff on this car to the other to the shell. There's gonna be a part out.
See, look at this shit, bro. I got everything here, so it's like having double the shit.
Yeah.
And if this shit took
If you guys need any parts, I don't know by the time this video's up. Let me know. But
Everybody got waves. I got fucking waves.
Big Wing gang.
scratched up right now.
Oh, you about
You might
to.
want to get that on video.
That what?
It's about to get scratched up. You might want to get it on video.
Pull the part out. That's the scratch the whole bitch up.
You gotta cut that shit off. You good? It's not scratching that much. Go straight. Jay's Racing front bumper, side skirts, and fender. Yeah. This whole, he's going for the Jay's Racing theme. Like the shell over there we picked up used to be full Jay's Racing, but he's gonna swap stuff here and just keep that one. So it's right-hand drive, shape bay and everything.
About to see this fucking wheel. Probably.
You could even leave it right there and we leave it like that.
Still on? I heard this car. I don't know much about this car, but I heard like this shell. Someone told me that it was in the same car club since 2009.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I guess, you know. So, you gotta take care of it, bro.
Got in trouble first day.
So, yeah. Just unloading stuff, and
Should have enough space to work.
he's gonna be swapping the parts, like I said, from there to there.
I'm fine. That show's not gonna be black.
I mean, that's 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's crazy. I was supposed to buy this off him because he was supposed to buy the shell earlier. And then he wasn't gonna get it, and then I bought one, and now he ended up getting it. So I want the Mugen e-brake cover. He's gonna give me that, and a little minor shit, I don't know. But let's see, whatever he don't want, I got first dibs. So finally unloaded everything. Went through the car real quick, checked it out. But check this hood out. This hood is dope. Jay's racing. But yeah, I'm not sure how long this video will be, but hopefully it's enough to make a video. So it's nothing crazy, you know, just picking up this car. Hope you guys enjoy. If you did, drop a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Till next time.